Now, News 13 Skywarn weather.
Well, tonight, 49 degrees, mostly clear skies. Tomorrow's highs will be right up there yet again, right around 92 degrees. Looks like we'll continue with this warm trend for quite some time. 60 tonight. Tomorrow's highs well on into the 90s here. Even some areas near 100 will be a couple degrees shy of it here in Farmington. So one thing is for sure, we still have the same weather pattern in place with a big ridge of high pressure, a little moisture seeping in from the south underneath this ridge, allowing for a few showers and storms. Things are going to get going a little bit more out towards the eastern areas of the state as a cold front sags southward across that region, and we'll see an uptick in showers and thunderstorms across most of eastern areas of the state. Right now, though, we are baking across most areas of New Mexico, even up into Colorado, hitting those 90s already in Durango, 92 in Cortez, 96 in Farmington. Meanwhile, the eastern areas of New Mexico well on into the 100s, 103 Tucumcari, 100 in Hobbs, and 103 Carlsbad with 100s in Las Cruces and up towards Alamogordo. Wind speeds, for the most part, pretty quiet. The only thing you have to worry about here is if you start to see some gusty winds, as if you happen to be in the vicinity of any of these showers and storms that have popped up this afternoon. And really the access of moisture is stretching from the southwestern corner of New Mexico and back off towards the northeast. So I think for the most part we are in the clear, at least for today and probably for the next couple of days, as this ridge of high pressure begins to take shape across most of the southwest. Areas to watch again will be back off into the boot heel tomorrow, off into the north and east, especially as this front sags southward across that region and bringing in that chance for some severe thunderstorms. Meanwhile, get a little bit breezy across central sections of the state, and it's going to, at least for the time being, stay pretty hot across most areas well on into the end of the week and into the weekend as well. So here's the precipitation forecast. Doesn't look all that promising for us here in our area. However, the east could see some strong storms develop out there Wednesday evening and especially heading into Thursday. Across the nation, things are looking pretty quiet for us, but still we're seeing some strong storms out there off to our north in the plains, back off to the south and east, some scattered showers and storms stretching from Georgia down towards Florida. So triple-digit temperatures across much of the south. 89 right now in Denver, 77 Rapid City, 84 Boise, 80s across the west coast, and triple-digit heat from El Paso to San Antonio and up towards Oklahoma City. Meanwhile, a few 60s off to the extreme northern tier of the U.S. As far as what we're going to see here tonight, we'll cool off in the 40s, 50s, and 60s. Tomorrow, it's going to be another hot one across most areas. Highs in the low to mid-90s, even a few areas climbing in the upper 90s. Of course, the higher areas, the higher communities will be slightly cooler. Durango, 92 tomorrow. We'll keep it dry for the foreseeable, or at least for the next couple of days. Heading into next week, though, could see a few more showers popping up, and temperatures could cool off just by a few degrees as well. Farmington, partly to mostly sunny skies tomorrow with highs in the upper 90s. 100s are right around the corner, though. Friday and Saturday will be right up there with overnight lows in the 50s and 60s. We'll cool things off slightly as we head towards the end of the weekend and the beginning of next week, and a chance for